Hey guys, welcome back to the course. So in this session we will solve one interesting problem. So our problem is given n we have to print pattern. For example, if n equals 5, my pattern will look something like this. Okay, so for given n we have to print pattern. For example, if the value of n is 2, my pattern will be this. Similarly, if the value of n is 3, my pattern will be something like this. So we have already solved this problem in flowcharts and pseudocodes. So we will solve this problem very quickly. So you can see here the value of I is 1, the value of I is 2, the value of I is 3, the value of I is 4, the value of I is 5. So first of all, we need a loop, and this loop will run n times. So we need a loop that will run n times. So I equals 1 while I less than or equals to n and I plus plus. So why we need a loop that run n times? Because we have to print n rows. So for n equals 5, I am printing 5 rows. So this loop will run n times, and each time what I will do, I will write the logic for printing one row, or I should say for printing ith row. Logic for printing ith row. And what is the logic for printing ith row? If the value of I is 3, I will print 3 stars. If the value of I is 4, I am printing 4 stars, and so on. So logic is very simple. I need a loop, and this loop should run I times, and each time this loop is running, I will print a star. So let's say I am taking a variable count. So count equals 1 while count is less than or equals to I, because we have to run the loop I times, and count plus plus. So this loop will run I times, and each time this loop is running, what I am gonna do, I will simply print a star. So this is all that we have to do. So let us compile all this. So what we will do, one loop, outer loop for printing n rows. So while I is less than or equals to n, and here I plus plus. So this outer loop is for printing n rows. Now inner loop for printing ith row. Okay, so int count equals 1 while count is less than or equals to I, count plus plus. Now this inner loop will run I times, and each time this loop is running, I will print a star. So cout star, and after printing one entire row, I have to go to next row. So cout end line. So this is the complete code that we have to write. Okay, so let's write it. So let us name this file as star pattern .cpp. So what we have to do, I will take an input from the user. Now I need a loop, and this loop should run I times, n times. So int I equals 1 while I is less than or equals to n I plus plus. So this loop is going to run n times, and inside this loop I am writing the logic for printing ith row, and the logic is very simple. We have to print I stars. So this loop will run I number of times. So count less than or equals to I and count plus plus. Now what I am gonna do is I will print star here. So cout, we have to print stars, and after printing one entire row, I have to go to next row. For going to next line, I will write cout end line. So this is the complete logic. So let us test our program. Let's say the value of n is 5. So my output is correct. Let's say the value of n is 15. So my output is correct. Okay. So this is it for this video. If you have any doubt, feel free to ask. Okay. Thank you.